Okay, Kenny, can you say B-roll again?
You buried Andrew's body, right? The camera's off, right? I mean, oh no.
Look at all this greenery. And the letter A.
How's it going, guys? It's Kishidope channel here, and we're in Irvine. We had to get away from the city because we're doing a Konosuba shoot. And we're with Jack, the videographer.
Hello?
And, as always, yours truly, Andrew.
We got Konosuba with Senbon Sakura.
I have with me a portable light, softbox right here, and we got two sandbags, two 15-pound sandbags down here. And we don't have Andrew today with us, which means these guns. The other one I hit him with the car. Alright.
But we're gonna cut that. Cut.
So every once in a while we go location hunting. This is one of those days.
Yes.
It's a brand new.
Kind of doing a shoot while we're at it too.
Because why not? You have seagulls in Konosuba, right? Yeah, sure, why not? Canadian goose.
Canada.
Canadian goose. Alright.
Yeah. Yang gang.
It looks like a fish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a sea. It's a sea animal.
It has sea in the name. So
Oh, that's unfortunate.
domain.
We can't feed these poor souls. Look at all these waterfowls.
Look at all these chickens.
This place in general, I like how the sun is kind of like beaming down here too. But it might be a very difficult shot to do. You can make it happen.
And that's what we're gonna do. With CG.
Yes.
I figure since this is like a walking shot, it'll be cool to have you just be like one of those heroic, like hero shots where it's like something like that. Okay. That's pointing at him. We want to make sure that the light hits him. It's punishment for not putting on sunscreen, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Praise the sun.
Praise the sun. Yeah, that's the shoot we're doing. Hey guys, we're doing
A Dark Souls
shoot.
Today,
praise the sun, you know.
Kishidope is cosplayed as Solaire from Dark Souls. Hence, we are here today to praise the sun.
The one deity that we can all agree on.
Yes. You non-believe.
Let's have you move a bit this way. This way. Yeah, right.
Some technical issues.
When isn't there any technical issues? So this device right here is a light meter. What it does is that it allows me to make sure what settings I have to dial in on the camera side if I want to have proper exposure on Brian. We want to make sure that he's decently lit. We're in a shady place. We could have him in the sun, but he's going to be sweating and he's going to eventually die. I don't sweat, that's silly.
Oh. Not sure if you can see this, but notice on this rock right in the center, there are like 3 turtles. Now, I would get closer, but I don't think I'd be able to see them on the other side, so. See those turtles? Smells like
Smells
Mmm.
like
Teen spirit.
Yeah.
if Teen Spirit was death and decay.
Yes.
Down just a bit. Let's have you look in this direction.
Okay.
Exactly.
Senbon Zakura.
All right.
Target.
Can I have you in your one, please?
You want to get a turtle in the
You
shot?
want me to go more down?
No, please don't.
Yeah, get a turtle in the shot.
Yeah.
And hold him. And then examine him and we'll take that shot.
I think a bird pooped on my softbox.
What? Just now?
I don't know. It's
Mmm.
But it's been pointed down.
right over there.
Did it do an aerial ace?
Yeah.
Take a shot one more time. 3, 2.
Hell yeah, Kenny. Stand on those.
Can I have you over here?
Stand on the railing of the
I know.
bridge. Do it.
Just take off your shoes first and then.
Yes.
Can I have you?
And not too thin.
You should make like a bunch of story shots, like you getting the water with the bottle from the lake, then you coming up and then walk to the sign
No,
and then start drinking it.
That's a good idea.
Let me drink it also. It's an empty bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dangerous photography right here. Perspective is king.
So
So,
it helps if you turn on the camera.
so right now what we're trying to do is make it look like Brian is shooting water out of his hands, or rather Kazuma is shooting water out of his hands.
Should we call it a day or?
Yeah, we can do more shots later on when we have
More time.
more time. Yeah, because we started a bit late.
Well,
And today was just a location scouting.
Yep.
So look forward for the actual shoot some other time. So subscribe, leave a comment if you want to, ring the bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time. Have a Kishidope day.
Yeah.
Honk, 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 honk. Beep, beep.
There's just like waterfowl going next to Brian. All these birds are coming to you.
Oh.
He's a duck whisperer, a waterfowl whisperer. Brian, do you want to be a vet instead?
Yeah, but humans.